Hello, my name is Freddy from Luxury Driving Academy. Welcome to the online campus at our school. In this video, we're going to show you how to perform your parallel parking for the motor vehicle examiner the day of your road test. We're going to show you tips and tricks that you can use in order for you to perform the right way. Now, what you have to do is that you got to straight the car up parallel to the cones. Go straight, nice and smooth. The distance is very important. When you clear the bumper, start getting in position and stop the car of the window in the back, all right? And then we put the blinker to the right, and we're gonna turn all the way to the right, and we're gonna shift it to the reverse, all right? And we're gonna, with our hands in the back of your passenger seat, we're gonna watch in the back, and we're gonna start going back, right? And you're gonna start reversing nice and smooth. In our driving school, we're gonna give you a couple points of reference. You keep on going back with your hands in the right position and looking in the back. And basically, one of the best reference that you have over here is make sure the third cone, which is the one closest to the curve, be in the center of your mirror, of your driver mirror. So like you see right here, we are right there on point, and you're gonna be ready to the left, all right? And you're gonna get it in same thing, position your hands in the back, right? And start going in, all right? I'll continue going back. When our car is straight, we're gonna stop the car. We're gonna stop the car, okay? A little bit more, stop the car, all right? And then turn the wheel 1.5 turns. Turn the wheel 1.5 turns, 1.5, and pull forward and stop right there. You did a perfect parallel parking. You cannot be more than 8 inches away from the curve. Okay, like we see right here, you cannot be more than 8 inches away from the curve, and try to be in between of the cones. That's how you finish your parallel parking